Good day, viewers at home. This is another lesson on fractions. Previously, we talked about types, conversion, and operations on fractions. So today we want to look at multiplication and division of fraction. But before we do that, one of our students was trying to follow the previous lesson on subtraction. So with that, we wanted to solve another question on subtraction and discover that at a point, the numerator was not convenient for him to simplify. So that's why I decided to bring this one for us to see. To find whole number 3/8 minus 3 whole number 2/3. As we did in the previous lesson, you simply say 5 minus 3, that is 2. Then you find the LCM of the denominators. LCM means the lowest common multiple of 8 and 3. That is the smallest number that 8 and 3 can divide, which is 24. So 24 is our LCM. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. Multiplied by 3 is 9. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So now we have two whole number. 9 minus 16. This was where the student got confused. That how will he subtract 16 from 9? And as you can see, we cannot subtract 16 from 9. So what we simply do is this. We have our whole number here, which is 2. We are going to take 1 from that 2. It will remain 1. So that 1 that we take from these 2 will now represent the LCM, which is 24. So that means the 1 we borrowed from that 2 is equivalent to this 24. So we now add the 24 to this 9. 24 plus 9, then minus 16 over 24. That is 1. 24 plus 9 is 33 minus 16 over 24. So we can see that this one is possible for us to subtract. That is 33 minus 16, 17 over 24. So this is how to simplify something of this form when you discover that the number you have to subtract is bigger than the other one. So that is that. Let's take some examples on multiplication and division now. We have 2 whole number 2/3 multiplied by 3 whole number 3/5. Now, in multiplication, we don't find LCM. When we have a mixed number like this, we simply turn it to an improper fraction. And if you still remember, to change mixed number to improper fraction, we multiply 3 by 2, that is 6. Then add 2, making 8. So it is 8/3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 is 15 plus 3, 18/5. So after doing this, we will now look for the common factors of the numerators and the denominators. And if you look at this, it is only 3 and 18 that have common factors, which is 3. If you divide 3 by 3, it's 1. If you divide 18 by 3, it's 6. 8 and 5 don't have anything in common. 6 and 5 also, they don't have anything in common. So that means we multiply 8 by 6, that is 48. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. This is an improper fraction, so we change it to a mixed number. 48 divided by 5 is 9, with a remainder of 3/5. So we have simplified this expression now by doing this. Let's take another example on multiplication. Another example on multiplication: 2 1/4 multiplied by 5 1/3. we change this. 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8, plus 1, 9. We have 9 over 4 times. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 15 plus 1, 16, divided by 3. So which of those numbers have common factors? 4 and 16 have something in common. 4 can divide 4, 1. 4 can divide 16, 4. 3 also divides 3, 1. 3 divides 9, 3. So we can see now that we are left with only 3 and 4 in the numerator. And denominators are 1, 1. So that means there is nothing left for us to divide. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So this is where we are going to stop for this particular question. We've gotten the answer. The last example under multiplication. 5 whole number 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 whole number 4 over 21. So once again we change each fraction to improper. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 plus 1, that is 21 over 4. 21 multiplied by 1 is 21 plus 4, that is 25 over 21. So we simply 21 divided by 21, they are out already. 4 and 25 don't have anything in common. That means we are left with 25 over 4. So we change this to a mixed number. 4 in 25 is 6, with a remainder of 1 over 4. So this is this for multiplication of fractions. In the next lesson, we are going to take some questions on division of fractions. Thank you.